So down here in Catford on the Corbett estate, this is another project we started yesterday. So what we're doing on this project is, lads started yesterday by removing all of the pebble dash off all of the brickwork on the front of the property. So made a good day's progress yesterday, getting all of the pebble dash off all of the front of the building. So as you can see, a lot of damaged bricks underneath the pebble dash, a lot of water penetrating over the years, causing a lot of the bricks to crumble and spool away. So what we're going to be doing is obviously cutting out and replacing all of these damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. There's going to be quite a few bricks on this property to replace, so cutting each individual brick out, replacing them. Then we are going to be stripping, burning all of this paint off all of the stonework. As you can see, a lot of loose flaky paint over this stonework, horrible Cotex system. So we'll get all this paint off, get it back to the original stone, then the customers are going to have it all back to natural stone or all redecorated. Just going to show you upstairs. So same upstairs as well. Lots of bricks to replace on the top elevation. Customer's going to either go for a tuck pointing or a penny roll style pointing on this. Once we give them a final number of bricks, how many bricks need replacing, then they'll give us a go ahead on what style of repointing they want to go for. Possibly replacing the fascia board and guttering as well. So big project this one, very labour intense, getting all of this paint off, getting it all back to stone, whether the customer, like I say, wants it all taken back to natural stone. Customers having new windows fitted. Only trouble is, at some point or another, the capitals have been cut down to obviously get the new windows in, which is a bit disappointing, but we'll see what we can do with that. Just going to take you downstairs and show you downstairs as well. So on the ground floor, there's quite a bit more damage to the brickwork as well. So looking at rebuilding the piers around by the front door. So I'm just going to show you that. But as you know from previous jobs, if we do take it all back to natural stone, we've got some beautiful features to work with. So that'll look really nice. Then on the ground floor, I'm going to be taking down and rebuilding these piers here. They're too far gone for us to restore them, so take down them, rebuild them. This section of brickwork down here is all going to need to be taken down and rebuilt. Taking the plinth off the ground floor, put a nice new plinth on with some nice new period air vents. As you can see, we've got some nice bath stone to work with if the customer does decide to go with natural stone. If not, we'll do a high decoration finish for the customer. So another big project, going to be a massive transformation. The customer's seen a lot of our work over the years around the Corbett estate, so decided to use us, and we'll show you some more progress in the next couple of weeks. If you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is another project we're currently working on, just an update video of how we're getting on this project. So what we've done so far is removed all of the pebble dash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. We've taken down and rebuilt both of the piers around the front door. So rebuilt all of them, changed around about 250 bricks in total so far. Also burning all the old paint off of all of the stonework. This is all going to be decorated instead of going back to natural stone. So what we like to do is get rid of all this old loose flaky paint. Had a horrible Cotex system on this. So burn all of that old paint off. As you can see, get it all back to stone, ready for decoration. We'll rub everything down, get everything all lovely and smooth. Done some samples for the customer, some tuck pointing samples and some penny roll samples. So customers going for the penny roll finish. Lads are here now, just working on getting all of the paint off all of the stonework. So I'll just show you upstairs, show you where we're getting on upstairs. So as you can see, getting rid of this horrible Cotex paint that's all over the stonework, getting all that back to stone, exposing all of the nice features ready for decoration. So hopefully by the end of this week we'll get all the rest of this paint off all of the stonework, and then we can start the stonework before we do the actual repointing. So a bit more paint to get on this top elevation. All of these capitals, window heads, get all the old paint off of there. A few more bricks to replace here and now, not too many more now, most of them are all replaced anyway, so like I say, around about 250 bricks in total. Looking at possibly new fascia board and guttering for the customer as well, so that's all nice and watertight. But so far so good, another job going really well, and looking forward to transforming this once again to the best looking house on the street. So lads are doing a good job on this so far, everything's going very well. So if you have any questions or would like a free quotation for any of our services that we're offering, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is another project we've just completed. So what we did on this project is we removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. It used to look like this house next door. So stripped all of the Pebbledash off, brick cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks. I think there was around about 300-400 bricks off the top of my head we replaced. We had to rebuild both of the piers around the front door, so they was taken down and rebuilt. We've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. Looks really good as always. What else we did on this project was we burnt all of the paint off all of the stonework, so every single piece of paint was burnt off from all of the stonework. Obviously restored all the stonework, got all the filling, everything absolutely perfect, sharp Harris's all the way throughout the stonework. Put a new plinth on the base of the property, all been decorated. Customers had new front door, new front windows. We done new fascia board and guttering, and the transformation on this project is incredible. I will post some videos of this, how it was before we started the project, but this has come out fantastic as always. New plinth, new period air vents just to match that off. Obviously still got a bit of damp coming through the lime plinth there, so I know the customer's talking about doing a new driveway as well. I think it's just breaching a bit of DPC, it's a bit too high, this driveway. But overall, what a beautiful transformation. This looks incredible. More happy customers and another job completed to the highest standard as always. So if you like the look of this project, you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.